In this video, I will show you how to block all ads on your iPhone. Ads can be annoying when you are browsing the internet or using apps. They can interrupt your experience and slow down your device. Luckily, there are simple ways to reduce or eliminate these ads on your iPhone. First, open the Safari web browser on your iPhone. In the address bar, type AdGuard DNS and hit Go. From the search results, tap on the link that says, Connect to Public AdGuard DNS Server. This will take you directly to their website. Once you're on this page, scroll down until you find Option 2. Tap on it. Next, select iOS. Make sure that default server is selected before proceeding. Now, tap on Download Configuration Profile. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to allow this download. Tap Allow to proceed. After allowing the download, tap Close. The configuration profile is now downloaded onto your device. Next, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see General, then tap on it. Continue scrolling down until you reach VPN and Device Management. Tap here to manage your downloaded profiles. You should see a profile labeled AdGuard Do. Tap on it and then select Install. You may need to enter your passcode for confirmation. Once installed, this configuration will significantly reduce or completely block ads across most apps and browsers on your device. If at any point you decide that you'd like to uninstall this ad blocking feature, simply return to the Settings app. Go back into General, scroll down again into VPN and Device Management, and select the downloaded AdGuard profile once more. Tap on Remove Downloaded Profile, confirm by tapping Remove, and you're done. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.